use it to practice singing and practice, you can sing over these chords. You can sing over these chords and make up your own song. Just go with the flow and think of some words. Something to sing that'll make you happy. Maybe sing about your brother or your mom or your dad. I'm sure they'd love to hear your song. They'd really love to hear your song, Cypress. All right. There you go. That's all I want you to do is practice those chords. And more importantly, most importantly, very importantly, remember the names of those strings. All right. I'll see you next week.